Okay. Good evening, Abhi. Good evening, Manu. How are you all doing?
Hi, Anil.
Very nice, doing very well.
Yeah.
Good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Welcome back to our
Thank
coaching session.
you.
Yeah. I'm so happy to see you back after our last session.
Yeah,
I hope you
fine.
remember what we did in
Same
the
here.
last session.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking about the fourth step, which is the unleashing you. We did discuss about the power of mastermind, the need for removing the toxic people from our life. All those things are done. Now
That's right.
Right.
we are going to do
Correct.
one more exciting thing. That is the success blueprint.
Hmm.
We are going to define
Okay.
you are going to define your success blueprint. That is the objective of this session.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Okay.
So the success
Yeah.
blueprint is something which will take us to the next level. Say, for example, if you have an Alauddin's lamp, what are the wishes you normally ask? Yeah, think about you don't have any limitations. You want to do a crazy dream.
Okay.
If you get if you want to achieve one thing in your life, what will be
One
the?
one
It
thing.
can be crazy. It could be. Just think about one, and we will go to multiple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think I'm ready now.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Go ahead.
what I would, it's quite crazy. You might laugh at that. I want to go back to the arena when we were the kings, and the everything Mahal and all, and I want to be a king. So I
Wow.
want to,
That's
Whoa.
amazing.
so I want to live
That's
like
good.
king. When you have so many people working for you, and then you have horses, and you take a horse ride, and yeah. So I want to go back to that.
That's a very rare and
Maybe
amazing crazy dream, Abhi.
Thank you.
Okay, now let us think.
maybe you can buy a palace in Rajasthan and have a farmhouse wherein you can keep horses also.
Or maybe the existing king of Rajasthan just give it to me for
Yeah.
something can happen.
Correct. Yeah.
True. Yeah. Let's think
Yeah.
about
Good.
one more point, Abhi. Like,
So
if you go with that dream, or if you are able to pursue that dream, if you go for that, what is the worst thing can happen?
Worst thing can happen.
Yeah.
Worst thing can happen is that I just fear it will not last for too long because it's a fantasy dream,
Okay.
and I'm not sure if I'll be able to live that. It's good to say, good to talk about it, but when you start living it, I might miss my this generation life. So I have a fear that although I'm saying I might like it, but I might not like
Okay.
it that much. That's the only fear I have. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. If you go with that dream, and
right.
if things whatever you are telling is doesn't work out, what is the backup plan you have?
Backup plan. Backup plan is well, like Manu mentioned, I'd rather buy an island and start replicating the whole that era and this age.
Yeah.
I don't know how it will happen, but just might happen.
Yeah. No, but I think when you dream, don't keep any limits.
Of course.
Yeah, there are
Okay,
no limits.
thanks, Abhi.
Correct.
Yeah. We'll come to more about that crazy dreams importance. Manu, would you like to share
Yeah.
one? Yeah.
Yeah. So for me, right now, the craziest dream is that I want to be the richest person of India and having the biggest business conglomerate of India.
Wow. Super. Amazing.
Yeah.
That's a great dream. Yeah. That's a great dream. I know you
Hoping
are
for it.
on the way to that. Yeah.
Trying for it.
Yeah.
Trying
What,
for it. Let's
yeah.
see.
Yeah. What do you see as the worst thing that can happen if you become the richest person in India?
Sorry, come again. I could not hear you.
I was asking if you are able to achieve that dream, go for that
Yeah.
dream. What is the worst thing can happen
Yeah.
to your current life?
Worst thing.
Yeah.
Worst thing will be if that does not happen.
Yeah. If that does not work out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll be number 2.
Yeah. Yeah. No, basically I was asking like if you want to go for that dream, currently you are in a position, you have a job and all other things. You may need to leave this behind and go to that dream.
So
And
I'll
if you-
still,
yeah.
even if I'm not able to reach to that level, still
Ah.
I am currently into business, so I'll keep on doing it.
Ah,
Maybe not at that big level, but at a smaller
yeah.
level, but still keep on doing
Okay.
it.
Okay. So basically, that is what is called the plan B. Like if the plan A doesn't work out,
Okay.
it's always good to have a plan B. So basically, what do we define in our success blueprint is we think about all these possible dreams which we think we should be thinking about achieving, and then list out one by one and think about the near future, probably 2 to 3 years or next 5 years. What all things you want to achieve? You remember in the beginning of the session, we were thinking about where do you want to be in another 5 years? We were thinking in that aspect. Like, that was just a very high level. Now, what we will do here is we will write down goals in each of the areas of your life, or of your wheel of life, your financial life, your family, your uh, social life, or traveling, or any other things, or your career, business, everything. In each of those things, what you really want to achieve in the next 3 to 5 years, uh, to put it in a vision board. The benefit of vision board is the moment you have that as a physical board, we normally achieve things 2 times. One in our mind, second in the reality. So when you put it in the vision board and you see that every day morning, you feel that you are naturally going to achieve that. The power of visualization works really well because it's
Right.
all about putting it in our subconscious mind. So the exercise here is to create a vision board for your dream. It can be done in multiple ways. It can be like every year you can create. Since we are doing it the first time, let us think about what you want to achieve for the couple of years. I can just share some examples, the forms of vision board, so that it will be easy for you to understand.
Okay.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
one vision board. It
Okay.
has multiple aspects: travel, health, fitness. All those aspects are put here. This is a sample vision board for one person for 2020. Something similar to that. It could include travel, buying car, or going abroad, or anything, or writing book, or any whatever you feel you should be doing. You can put that in the vision board. So, can both of you think about
Okay.
and building a vision board this time, so that next time when we meet, we will go through that.
Sure.
Is there any limit how many things I can put in the vision board? Could be
No,
limited.
it's up to you. It's up to you. The only thing is, don't put it like it's not in a not it's not a readable format. It should be something very clear. And if you can put some timelines attached to that, it will be very easy to understand for you.
Okay.
Because so that
Okay.
when you look at, okay, 2020, I have to do these things, 21, 22, 23, 24, that way, when you look at the board, you can see these things are either done or are progressing or not. You can even tick on each one when you achieve that.
All right.
Right. Got it.
Shall we think about it now, or we have to later?
Yeah, you can prepare that. We will close our session right now. The
Okay.
next meeting, we will go through your vision board.
Okay.
Is it clear?
All right. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Are you excited about doing it?
Got it.
Yeah, I've already started thinking about it. I would like to tell you one
I
thing.
mean-
It is difficult to when someone asks, that you have to write down and make a vision board. Very difficult. But randomly, when it's very easy to think of things, so
Yeah.
it's going to be challenging.
Yeah. The only problem is when you are putting only in our mind, so many items, new items comes, and then it goes. We don't even able to see what was the actual item 1 month back. Just
Right.
new things will come. But if you put it in a board or paper, this is something I want to. You can always remove items from your vision board, but having enough items in the vision board makes it very clear.
Okay. Perfect. Makes sense. Got it.
Got it.
Okay. Then we will say bye for
So if the
time
number
now.
of if the,
Yeah, sorry. Yes, Manu.
so I was saying that in case it goes out of the board or something, can we make 2 boards?
Yeah, we can make. Yeah, we can make, but it is always good to have a single board. Yeah. You
Okay.
can probably put it year-wise. You can put your vision board for 2020. Then you put things which you want to achieve in the near future. The next year vision board can be a different one. Because at that time you should be looking at one board.
Okay, that's also good.
Yeah.
Done.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let's meet next week again.
Bye bye.
Yeah.